Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock all characters on the My Talking Tom Friends game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the My Talking Tom Friends game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be able to start enjoying the game with the characters that you currently have. Now, if you wish to unlock all of your characters, then simply take one of your character to the treehouse at the leftmost section of the game map, and you will now see that you are able to unlock a total of 6 characters. You can tap on the Unlock Now button in order to unlock them all, along with the treehouse, by using your real-world currency in order to make your payment and finalize the transaction. Alternatively, you can also log in for 6 consecutive days, which will unlock all of the characters that are available within the game right away. In order to check the status of this, go inside your room and you will find a calendar alongside the television. Just tap on this, and now you will see all of the different rewards and characters that you have unlocked so far. So you will simply be required to log in for 5 consecutive days in order to unlock all characters. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to unlock all characters on the My Talking Tom Friends game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.